Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be Nadine West again. Today is St. Patrick's Day and this came in the mail just a couple days ago. So I need to get it unboxed. If you like Nadine West videos, you can click on my playlist because I have all my Nadine West unboxings in a playlist. So we have one bundle, ooh, two bundles, and a loose item. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever had an item that's not in a bundle. Don't mind my hair. So yeah, one little one sleeping, the other one took like a 30-minute nap, so she's gonna hang out in her room and watch a show. And then the older one, school was canceled today for fog, so everybody's home. So anyway, on this list it says I should have top, bottom necklace. So let's just see what we have. So first up, we will start with the one that's loose in here. Okay, there's no way this is a top. This has to be a dress. Oh no, it's not. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was just looking at the store the other day for long cardigans and could not find any that I liked. Oh my gosh, I'm like ready to cry. So this is the Foiby, I think, in heather gray. It's $39.99. Look, it's a freaking, it's a long heather gray cardigan, long sleeves. It has like the ribbed material and it has slits in the side, so the side like won't get caught like wrapped around you. It has the slits in the side so that it wraps around to the front. Oh my gosh, this just made my day. I'm not having a very good 2 weeks, so this just totally made my day. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, next in here we have, oh my gosh, that cardigan. Okay, next in here, these are pants. So they say butt sculpting, fitted design for ample coverage and support, 4-way stretch fabric, tummy control. Oh, these are cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So these are the Edlin in black for $37.49. Look at these pants. They're so cute. Look at the zipper. So they have these zipper, so it's faux pockets, but it has the zippers going across, and then there's these long, they're just these black leggings. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh my gosh, these with that cardigan with like a white tank. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love them. I'm so excited for this bag already. Next up, we will open this bundle. Why did I pick up the whole thing? Oh my gosh, what am I doing? So first in here, let's see. Oh my gosh. This is the Tamara in mauve for $29.49. Oh, that's cute. So it's this light mauve, like sleeveless shirt. It has V-neck. Oh, cute. It has like this crochet design. It has the elastic around the waist. Not around the waist, that would go like around your rib cage, right under your bust. It'll probably make the other part like flowy. The bottom section. Cute. That is cute. Next in here, oh cute, I've gotten this, and I think I got something really similar to this as a t-shirt before. Oh, that's cute. So this is the Mia in water blue flower for $29.49. This is super cute. So it's this white tank top with these cool strings, like chest design. It's a tank top with like the watercolored flowers. That's cute. Spring is coming. That's really cute. We'll have to see how that looks on. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So there's that, and then the last thing in here is the Harlow in navy. It's $36.49. Well, this is the last article of clothing. We saw the necklace. So they're just some, it looks like just navy blue. Some navy blue leggings. Oh, these are cute. They have these like pleated spot, not pleated. What? I cannot speak lately, you guys. Look how cute that is. So here's those. No pockets, no faux pockets, just navy blue leggings. Looks like that will be over the knee. Cute. Good bag, good bag. Yeah, so this with this shirt would be cute together. And then the black pants with the mauve shirt and the gray cardigan over it, that would be cute together also. Yay, that's like 2 complete outfits. That's probably how I'm gonna try them on too, is this the 2 outfits. And then last in here is the necklace. This is the Shava in silver, $34.99. So it's a silver chain with this, almost looks like a, kind of like a leaf with a little turquoise bead on it. So yeah, yay! I love this month's bag, and I just need to go try them on for you so we can see how everything looks. Okay, here's the shirt. It's this like pretty blush color. These are the pants. It says they're the butt sculptor. They don't have any pockets, but they have like that that line, that curved line that makes your butt look firmer or lifted and rounder, sculpted. It has these faux pockets. They're not real, are they? No. So it has the faux pockets in the front with the zipper detail. It has, I don't know if you can see, hold on. Don't mind the clothes. It has like the lines, kind of one off to the side, one on the inside, and one down the middle. I love that. Just like for some added detail. This is actually comfortable too. So it has like the elastic, so it's like a baby doll style. So it's loose and flowy. Really cute. I think it's cute. Comfortable. And then we will throw on the cardigan that I was so excited about. It's the heather gray. It has the lines in it. Sorry if you hear the noise from downstairs, it's the ice machine. So here's the like the lightweight cardigan, and I love that it has the slits in the side because then it won't always be like stuck behind. You know what I mean? Like when they're one piece, they kind of get stuck on the sides. So with it having the slits, it'll stay more to the front. This is so cute. I love this. Super cute. Eee! I love it. Oh, and up close on the top, it has the little buttons and like the lacy. Do you see how it's like lace? Not lace, but like crochet. What is the word for that? I don't know. It's pretty. I like it. Like I said, I love this like blush color with the gray and then with the black pants. This is super cute. See, I totally love this outfit. I will totally wear all 3 of these together, and I might just wear this even around the house when it's kind of chilly. We're starting to be in the high 70s, so soon we'll have the air conditioning on. Sometimes you just get like a little too chilly when you're just kind of hanging out at home. But yeah, I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this cardigan. I've actually been looking around like at Kohl's, TJ Maxx, all kinds of places for some cardigans, like lightweight ones like this for spring. And I haven't seen any, so that's why I was so excited when I opened this package. I was like, what? It's a gray cardigan. So yeah, I love this. Absolutely love this. This is a huge heart in my book. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think it's so cute. Then, okay, I'm getting a little warm. I'll take off my cardigan. That's my little ones. They just shut the door. And yeah. Or if you're going out to eat and you have your little cardigan because it gets chilly at restaurants, Yay, I love this one. Absolutely love this outfit. 10 out of 10. Okay, so here's this tank top. I like the white with like the blue flowers. The neck is different. It definitely adds like a little something, so it's not just plain and empty, but I think I would like it better if it didn't have those. I mean, I could cut them. I could cut these little straps off. I think I would like it better without them if it was just an open neck tank top. But other than that, I like it. It's not too long. It's still loose and like flowy. My stomach's growling. Yeah, so it's like the perfect length. It's racerback style, so you'd want to wear like a different bra or use the little clip things that you can get to hold your bra for racerback shirts. And then the pants are super comfy too. There's no pockets. They're just plain old navy, plain navy leggings, and they have like the, I don't even know what this is called. Like pleated on the knee. I don't know if you can see it very well. Try and keep my balance here. It has like these pleats on the these pleats on the knee, which like add a fun detail so it's not plain. Super comfy, super springy, super cute. It's like not too casual but not too dressy. Just something better than just a t-shirt and pants, you know. So yeah, I think this is super cute also. I love this. I see myself wearing this too. Hope I got fuzzies on me. Okay, sorry for the noise. She was slowly closing the door and it was creaking. Okay, so yeah, I think I would just, I don't know, should I leave the straps on or should I just cut these little straps off so it's just an open neck? Oh, you can't even see me. Oh my gosh, I'm so distracted. Okay, I have a little bit of muscle going on. What's this? What exercises can you do to build this muscle right here? It's like this muscle is more prominent. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, what should I do? Comment down below. Should I cut these off or should I leave them for some detail? I don't know. Other than that, this is a 10 out of 10 also. I love it. Alright guys, thank you for watching.